Can you please tell everyone who's watching, I would really love to see former Prime Minister Devegowda arrested. It would be fantastic, and it would be a reassertion of the strength of our democracy if the former Prime Minister who led the breaking of rules. You see, in this country, a former Prime Minister is telling the people of India, go to hell. A former Prime Minister is telling 135 crore Indians that you may be suffering, but I got to have a little fun. I am going to walk in there, I'm going to take 40, 50 cars with me. I will break every single rule. I'm a former Prime Minister of India. And by the way, it's not only the people who were invited for the wedding, Smita. There were hundreds of people who were working at the site before that. This mandap, these arrangements, the security did not happen on its own. Hundreds of people were part of that. And what I feel worst about is that a former Prime Minister of India thinks that because one area is what he calls a green area, so he feels he has every right to go and break the rules in an area where there are few COVID cases. So he believes that it's his right to contaminate. Anyone else, Smita, would have been arrested by now. But then you see, rules apply for us, not for someone. Look at the picture there. Absolutely. Look at the Foolwala, Tentwala pictures. Did they come from the green zone? And by the way, people of Karnataka, I request you, Sagay Raj has done an excellent news report. Media in Bengaluru, media in Karnataka, if you're not reporting this in a big way, you should really apologize to all your viewers. Karnataka has recorded its highest spike of COVID cases in a single day today. And your former Prime Minister, along with his former Chief Minister, along with his father, a former Prime Minister of India, has essentially told all of you that the rules don't apply to him. Smita.
You know, Arnab, if I may indulge in a Kannada proverb, in Kannada we say, Bekku kannu muchi hal kudre jagatige gottagudilva, which means that if a cat closes its eyes and drinks milk, does it think that the world can't see? That's not true. Everybody has seen what has happened. Your reporter has reported that there were over 40 cars out there and over 100 people out there. So, you know, the kind of privileged existence that the Gowdas lead, it puts even the Gandhis to shame actually. Because, you know, Mr. Devegowda, being a former Prime Minister, as you correctly said, should have had more of a responsibility, a social responsibility he owes to the people of Karnataka. He should have been a beacon of light. He should have been following instructions and making sure people follow instructions. Here he is breaking every law and the entitlement of this family, and you try and say anything to them, they will say, oh, I am Mannina Maga, son of the soil, farmer's son, don't say anything to me, you people are, you say all kinds of things to us, it is not applicable to us, and they break every law. How? And I want to know how they got permission. Mr. Bhatia is turning around and saying that Minister will get a report. Excuse me, but no. This is not it.
How did they get permission?
Firstly, to go to Ram more than 50
How is a former Prime Minister breaking the rules set by our current Prime Minister?
So even Mr.
How is a former Prime Minister breaking the rules set by our present Prime Minister?
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.